How to delete Netflix profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete Netflix profile. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to delete your Netflix profile, then I want you to go over and then simply open the Netflix app first, and do not log into your account just yet, because obviously you will see this kind of interface. Now in order to delete a specific profile, we'll just tap on the edit button on the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on edit button, you'll see pencil icon next to all these profiles. You have to select the profile which you want to delete. For example, let's say this one over here. I'll just select it up. Once you select the profile you want to delete, you'll be able to see all these options. Here you have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the option called delete profile. Just tap on it. As you tap on delete profile, you can see it will ask you to confirmation. All recommendations, viewing history, the list, saved games, and everything will be permanently deleted and not retrievable. So just tap on the option that says delete profile, and you can repeat the process for all the profiles you want to delete. If you want to add a new profile, you can do so by tapping on the add profile button over here. And that's all it takes to delete profiles on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.